Hi, this is Melanie Sumner. Today we're going to navigate a couple of websites with Firefox and NVDA to see how an accessible website navigates through the content and also how an Ember application navigates through the content so we can get a better picture of a better scope of what's going on with single page apps. The first thing I'm going to do is open NVDA. That little chime means it's started. If you've just installed this on your Windows computer, what you'll want to do is open up the Preferences menu. Actually, I'm going to walk you through that again. We're going to right click on NVDA, then we're going to go to Preferences, and then we're going to go to Settings. And then when that window pops up, we're going to come to this speech category, and we're going to change the synthesizer so it says no speech. Okay. And then what you'll do, since you won't have this at first, is you're going to select Speech Viewer. You see I've turned it off. But you'll right click on the NVDA icon again, go to the Tools menu, and then click on Speech Viewer. And this is basically everything you would otherwise hear. I have Show Speech Viewer on Startup selected to help me because I develop with this all the time. So after we've had NVDA open, we're going to go ahead and open Firefox. Now Firefox and NVDA is the recommended combination. It may work with other browsers as well. It's just the one I'm used to. It's the typically recommended one, so it's the one I use the most. Now, we're going to load the WAI Web Accessibility Initiative website by the W3C. This is an accessible website. The first thing you'll see when we load it, it's going to read all the page content to us at once. So let's do that. And you'll see that my speech viewer just read the entire page to me. Now, if I was to do this again, click on that again, and this time I'm going to press the Insert key to stop it talking. By pressing the Insert key, I managed to stop the screen reader from continuing to read the entire page, which is the expected behavior but not always desired behavior. When I press the Tab key from here, you'll see the first thing I get to is the skip to content, which is helpful, but I haven't actually navigated this site yet, so I actually want to be able to look and see what links are here. So let's go to the Accessibility Fundamentals page, and again you'll see it reads out the entire page to me, but I can pause that by pressing the Insert key. Now, what happens if, I'm going to scroll back up to the top, what happens when we navigate to an Ember application? So we're going to use Ember Camp because we know that's an Ember app. And you'll see when I first load the page, NVDA reads the entire thing to me. What we're going to do is we're going to tab down to some of these links in the footers because I know these old pages are still active from 2018. And I'm going to press Enter and activate the speakers route. What's happened? You'll see here that none of the content from the page was read to me like it should have been, and when I press Tab again, you'll see that it goes to the About link, which means for the screen reader, the machine talking to the machine, the app is talking to the assistive technology, and it thinks that we're still there. We haven't actually navigated to a new route. We don't actually have any new page content. So this is the problem with single page apps, specifically with Ember, and this is the thing that we want to try to fix. Thank you.